As a round square school, ICS students are passionate about helping the underprivileged people in our society. And our focus this academic year, or our focus last 2 years, has been to help the people of Ajamesu with a 3-unit kindergarten block to ease the congestion in their classrooms, especially in these COVID times.
Round Square is a community of over 200 schools across the globe that promote holistic education around the ideals of internationalism, democracy, environmentalism, adventure, leadership, and service.
Last year, our seniors were able to start this project from the foundation stage. They were able to build a few of the walls and roof 2 of the classrooms.
We have taken over to fix electrical cables and secure the buildings with doors and windows, and we have also started work on the 3rd classroom.
It is a great joy to see the little ones in their new classroom, even though it is incomplete. This definitely tells you that the project has come timely and as a big relief to the little ones.
After talking to the teachers, you can nearly feel their excitement. Just imagine the burden lifted off their shoulders now that they no longer have to teach 150 students crammed up into a small classroom. Now, learning and teaching has become more meaningful and conducive for them, and they can't wait to see the finishing products of this project.
We, the students of ICS, will continue to support the Ajamesu A.M.E. Zion Primary School as part of our community service initiatives. Aside from this project, we have also donated over 400 nose masks to the students and staff of this school to help in their COVID-19 preventive measures.
At this stage, we still have a lot to do, such as plastering of the walls, roofing of the 3rd block, ceilings, setting up classrooms, fixing of lights and fans, and lastly, painting of the entire blocks.
Being students ourselves, there's only so much we can do to fulfill our desire to help the Ajamesu school. So I urge you, the parents, guardians, and friends of the ICS community to support us along our journey.
Please be a part of this project by sending your token to our MoMo number. For any enquiries or to donate in kind, please reach out to our admin office at the Pechi campus or Mr. Enoch A, our Round Square representative. But please remember that your smallest contributions can help us achieve a bigger goal. Thank you.